Well, you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 12.5.8 is basically just not installing. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because maybe the phone that you have is just running into some random glitches. So the first and easiest thing I'd recommend doing here is to just go through and just restart your phone. So go through, restart the phone that you have, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. A lot of the times, doing something simple like this can probably end up fixing the problem, and that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and try deleting any sort of things that are taking up, massive amounts of storage on your iPhone. So you just want to make sure you have enough storage saved on your device, because sometimes if you don't have enough storage saved, that can also cause some problems there as well. So go through, make sure you don't have any problems there either, because that can probably end up fixing the issues that you might run into there as well. If that doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, you might want to try using a computer or a PC or something like that in order to actually update your phone. Sometimes you might just have to go through, update your phone via a Mac or PC, and that might also end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.